I watched him blend cinnamon, lemon, and banana with honey every morning. It seemed simple, but I started noticing a subtle calm in his afternoon pace.